Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Zach Lumber, aka Magnum 05 here, and yes, what I have here is another vintage AT&T phone, another cordless phone to be exact. This one here is the 4200. Red light means it's charging, of course. Here's the side of it. Well, the first side, and here's the second side. There's your ringer switch. Of course, it's turned on. Back here is your phone line jack. And down here would be your pulse and tone switch. Now let's check the bottom of this one. Let's see, here's the bottom of it. You can hang this up onto a wall, as you can clearly see. This one was made on June 20th, 1989. So yes, it's about almost 30 years old. Here's the handset itself. On this handset here we have the volume for the handset, of course. Let's see, now we can go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it got louder. Okay, I don't know why my camera's trying to lose focus. So as you can see, the handset does work. Now we're going to go ahead and test it out.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
Alright. Now, of course, as always, like I did with the other two phones, I'm going to give it a call. Hold on 1 second here. Alright. Calling it right now. Alright. Hello? Okay. This one is working too. Hold on, let me bring it over to my cell phone real quick. Just hang on 1 second. Alright. Testing. One, two, three. 4, 5, 6. Hello. Okay. This third phone I've tested out so far, and yes, that one is working as well. So now, it's time I call my phone. Let's see. Alright.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello.
Alrighty. Alright, so I did test out the phone in both ways like I did with the other two. Don't know how well you guys could hear me throughout this one though, but let me test out redial real quick. Alright, so as you can clearly see, there's not any other buttons on here. All we have is the numbers, then we have the phone off and redial button. That's all there is to this handset here. Also the volume control, of course. But yes, as you can see, it does work. Alright. Well, what do you know? That's a phone call. Hang on. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Yes, that was a regular phone call that was being made, and I'm certainly glad this didn't happen while I was testing out this phone. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for watching this review. Now, before I end this video, let me know in the comments below which phone do you guys would like me to do next. Let's see, we have the 712 two-line corded phone. We have the AT&T 700 featured corded phone, an AT&T 5515 cordless speakerphone, an AT&T 5200 cordless phone, an AT&T HT 5310 cordless phone, a 5455 cordless phone, a 5450 cordless phone, a CRT 330 corded radio phone, a 530 corded phone. This is to pull the batteries out, by the way. A 5490 cordless phone, a 5500 cordless speakerphone, which I will have to repair the handset on this thing before I do a retake on this one. A 5471 cordless phone, a 4615 cordless phone, a 4305 cordless phone. So basically all the AT&T phones that I happen to own, on whichever you guys would like me to do on a review next. So anyways, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. I'm Sakalombre, AK Mangamo 5 here. You all have a great rest of your day. Take care and bye bye.